Okay, now that you know about different environmental monitoring solutions offered by OIZOM, let's get into the data accessibility part. All the OIZOM equipments are smart and connected systems. It sends the real-time environmental data to OIZOM IoT platform, which can be hosted on OIZOM's or the customer's infrastructure. The data communication is possible using various wired and wireless communication protocols. For wireless communication, all types of generations of GSM like 2G, 3G are pretty standard, but it also has the capability to communicate through LTE, Wi-Fi, LoRa, Sigfox and narrowband IoT. While for wired communication, users can choose from Ethernet, RS485 and RS232. In any case, the data can be routed to the target database server using secured HTTP, MQTT or COAP protocols, depending upon the solution architecture. To keep the hardware network agnostic, the equipments are capable to push the data on specific configurable intervals to the IP of a host server, or the server can demand for the data on a pull request to the device IP. There are some key functionalities like firmware updates, calibration and remote diagnosis, which are done through OIZOM Cloud. That's why we recommend to keep the devices connected to OIZOM Cloud via a standby GSM or GPRS connectivity. Once data communication is through, there are various possibilities to access the data based on solution requirements. If the data is collected into a third-party infrastructure and database, the raw data can be further processed, visualized and analyzed on the third-party application. Else, the data can be harvested on OIZOM Cloud for further accessibility. OIZOM Cloud is trained to process the data by considering the effect of meteorological conditions for improved stability. It has capabilities to derive various environmental indexes and generate alerts based on custom thresholds. All such processed data is available to be integrated into a third-party application using secured endpoint APIs. The processed data is also integrable into an outdoor display for public awareness. The data is also available on OIZOM Terminal for better visualizations and analytics. OIZOM Terminal is our proprietary data platform which can extract actionable alerts, print-ready reports, and historical data analytics. The data is also accessible using our mobile app on the go. The processed data can be published on third-party web applications using an iframe-based environmental widget by OIZOM. There is also a possibility to access the data using voice activation-based assistant systems like Alexa and Google Home. Based on the historical trend analysis, the platform can offer pollution forecasting as well. By enabling our environmental AI capabilities, city-scale pollution maps can be generated. Such maps are highly essential for source appointment studies. By applying dispersion modeling using meteorological data, environmental impact assessment is possible. By applying relevant modeling and prediction algorithms, several such environmental applications can be fulfilled in a scalable manner. If you want to talk more on environmental data and its possibilities, get in touch using the email in the description below.